Certainly, here's a detailed recipe for Fiesta slow cooker shredded chicken tacos. Ingredients. For the slow cooker chicken: 2 pounds boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. 1 packet, about 1 ounce, of taco seasoning mix, or make your own with a blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. 1 cup salsa. Choose your preferred level of spiciness. 1/2 cup chicken broth or water. 1 onion, diced. 1 bell pepper, diced, any color you prefer. For assembling tacos: soft or hard taco shells, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend, sour cream, sliced jalapenos, chopped cilantro, lime wedges. Instructions. 1. Place the diced onions and bell peppers at the bottom of the slow cooker. 2. Lay the chicken breasts or thighs over the diced vegetables. 3. Sprinkle the taco seasoning evenly over the chicken. If you're making your own seasoning blend, mix the spices in a small bowl first. 4. Pour the salsa and chicken broth or water over the chicken. 5. Gently stir the ingredients in the slow cooker to ensure the seasoning and liquids are evenly distributed. 6. Cover the slow cooker with the lid and cook on low heat for 6-8 hours or on high heat for 3-4 hours. The chicken is done when it's tender and easily shreds with a fork. 7. Once the cooking time is complete, use 2 forks to shred the chicken directly in the slow cooker. Stir the shredded chicken to mix it with the cooking juices, onions, and peppers. 8. Keep the slow cooker on the warm setting while you prepare the taco toppings. 9. Warm up the taco shells according to the package instructions. 10. Set up a taco assembly station with the shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded cheese, sour cream, sliced jalapenos, chopped cilantro, and lime wedges. 11. To assemble the tacos, place a generous amount of the shredded chicken onto a taco shell. 12. Top with your desired toppings, such as lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, sour cream, jalapenos, and cilantro. 13. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the assembled tacos to add a burst of flavor. 14. Serve the Fiesta slow cooker shredded chicken tacos alongside your favorite sides and enjoy. Feel free to adjust the spice level and toppings to your preference. This recipe makes a fantastic and flavorful meal that's perfect for sharing with friends and family.